kwamba sehemu hili ni sehemu ambayo ni ya kipekee katika Kenya nzima. It's a very unique tourism attraction. It has a potential to bring us tourism. It has a potential to bring us bird lovers and bird watchers across the world to this county. I want to take this chance specifically to thank the Kenya Tourism Development Board for joining us today and actually for helping us to brand this product. We think that Elgeyo Marakwet has a very unique product. We have not only bird watching, but we have a very unique tourism attraction in terms of the scenes. If you look across, what you see is beautiful scenery. You cannot get this in Masai Mara. You cannot get this in Mombasa. When you look to the other side of the ridge, and especially when you look across the Kerio Valley, you cannot get this anywhere else. It is only in Baringo and Elgeyo Marakwet County. We want to take this opportunity again to ask our national government to specifically improve the security situation in our county, specifically the rising menace of terrorism, because this, as we are told, that in Mombasa currently, the bed capacities and the bed occupancy is very low. We need to work on our security so that we can attract tourists, not only within Kenya, but also tourists from abroad. Yesterday, we in Elgeyo Marakwet buried a young man who was in Mandera, who had just gone to look for a source of living. It was indeed sad, but we're happy that the national government is addressing this issue so that we, especially the county governments that are trying to develop tourism, can benefit from that opportunity.
Pale chini tutakuwa tukisherehekea pamoja. Kwa hiyo sauti bado tuko na attractions kama Kureso Springs huko pale chini tutakuwa tukisherehekea pamoja. Kwa hiyo sauti bado tuko na attractions kama Kureso Springs huko tena ni mahali pengine pazuri na tourists wakikuja.
Baringo County is home to over 500 species of birds. I know even Elgeyo Marakwet has a number of species of birds. That is why we are here today to watch this phenomenon. These include the flamingos that create a unique spectacle at our Lake Bogoria. Many small forest birds, not saying anything about the birds that visit us from Europe and Central Asia. These birds are unique tourist attraction, which we are packaging to diversify our tourism sector. We need to conserve the environments these birds live in if we are to continue benefiting now and in the future. Mahatma Gandhi said that the good man is the friend of all living things. We have a lot to do and should not sit in the sidelines. We should learn to live harmoniously with nature. All our efforts combined in protecting their natural habitats will go a long way in ensuring they exist for a very long time. We will avoid stories like a long time ago there was a bird, this bird called. The tourism department of our county, government of Baringo, is committed to developing this form of tourism and others. And I believe the county government of Elgeyo Marakwet works in the same path. Right now, we have a problem as a result of insecurity. That is what we want to ask the national government to look at that part, because tourism imekuwa ni jambo ambalo limetupatia mapato, lakini wakati kukiwa na ukosefu wa usalama, unaona saa hii watu wanakosekana Mombasa. Kwa sababu gani? Ukosefu wa usalama. Tunahitaji serikali kuu ipate kuimarisha mambo ya usalama, na pia ningependa kuungana kusema kuwa hata nao serikali za county wanahitaji kuhusishwa katika usalama ili jambo lipate kuwa addressed properly, because this is becoming a major challenge. Right now, what we have got, what we achieved last year might not insecurity issue. Ningependa kuambia watu wetu, tukitaka kufanya sehemu zetu ziwe sehemu nzuri ya kuweza kutembelewa na watalii na wawekezaji, lazima tuangalie kuwa tumetunza usalama. Kuna hii maneno ya nyumba 10. Within ourselves, it is our responsibility to ensure that we make our lives, rather where we stay, to be safe.